Today we are in GreenAcres Market. I got my little helper,
Maggie.
and we're gonna try chicken pot pie and a few other things. Here we go.
I have a chicken pot pie from GreenAcres grocery store.
Okay, first bite, tell me how it is.
It's very freshly made, so it's very hot, and that's really good. It tastes like a homemade chicken pot pie, which is like really good. The chicken is a very good texture.
Is it juicy?
It's very juicy. What's the juice in it? Is it like potatoes?
Maggie, I'm glad you asked what is in this because I got the ingredients right here. Chicken pot pie is made with chicken breast and thigh meat, also chicken broth, non-GMO safflower oil, onions, carrots, celery, milk, black pepper, salt, thyme, mushrooms, tamar, frozen peas, and the crust is made, this beautiful just crust with like this little chicken in it, is made with flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, butter, and water. I'm ready to taste it. I'm gonna taste the crust. It's good. The dough has a sweetness to it. That's where a little bit of that sugar comes in that they put in it there. I got a big old bite of chicken and all that goodness that I just read off right here. Look how hot it is and smoky. Steamy. That's right, steamy. And I agree with Maggie. It tastes just like a homemade chicken pot pie, like Grandma just got this out of the oven. Very good. I do taste, it's not bland at all. It's got the perfect amount of spice and flavor put in this to where you taste everything that I just read off. Yeah, it's pretty good. They make a bunch of these right here in Wichita. I think 600 a week of these that they make. They make them here, and we are at the Maize location at GreenAcres Market, and there's also a location in Bradley Fair, and that's where they make all of them. So if you want a good homemade chicken pot pie, you can check out GreenAcres right here. And they always have every day these Bierocks that are really good, guys. I've tried these before, and I want to show you the inside of them. Look at all that meat and onions and cabbage inside there. These are really good, and they sell out of these a lot. They make a ton of these. The bread is nice and soft, but it's got that sweet flavor that adds to the richness of the savory meat and onions and cabbage. So Bierock's right here at GreenAcres Market.
I've never had a Bierock, but here we go. GreenAcres Market.
Do you not like it?
Nuh-uh.
It's okay, I'll eat it.
I'll cook with my pot pie.
That's okay, I'll finish it up for you, Maggie. It's good.